Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on speed petting, which is the best way to get Night of the Nocturne strange chests. So here you see I have the dragon pulled up with the familiar that I've already bonded with today. Then I've got a second window with the same dragon. On this window, I'm going to click the button to change familiars. We're going to go over and we're going to filter it. So bond status, you want to do not bonded today, and that is going to show you all of the familiars that you have not yet bonded with. What you're then going to do is click the top one here, go back to this window, and press whatever key refreshes. Sweetheart, what's the refresh key? F5? It's not a, it is F5, thank you. All right, then you're going to click bond. Now, you don't have to click close here, you're just going to click back over to this tab. You're going to click the next familiar, back here, F5, bond. Back here, click the next familiar, this window, F5, bond. Next familiar, click here, F5, bond. It takes quite a while to get through all the familiars if you have as many as I have, but the drop rate is somewhere around 10%. I did the math last year and divided the number of chests I got based off of number of familiars that I had, and it was pretty close to 10%. So it's faster than Coliseum, and once you get into the groove of it, it's pretty straightforward. It's just the two windows, you're going back and forth. I recommend having a good bop going, get you some good background music, and for me it takes about 20 minutes to get through all my familiars this way, but I usually get about 40 chests if not more, so go forth, make stonks, and have fun.